Hi guys, welcome to the channel Crane Operator 911. A little bit about me. My name is Edgars. I am 28 years old and I am a handler operator for 4 years now. Yes. Today I have an extra job, a different port, and I will load the trucks with the logs using Liber handler, which is like 35 tons of the weight, and yeah, let's see how it goes.
Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? Nowhere to go, so far from home. Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? So I break these walls and hold my head up high, and I step my ground until the day I die. As the rain falls down, there's no more tears to cry, tears to cry. So I break these walls and hold my head up high. No, I'm not giving in. 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 No, I'm not giving. Giving in. I see the constellations. They remind me that this life cannot be lost forever. I watch my generation. It's so evident this world will soon be gone. Will soon be gone. Run away. Can we get out of sight? conditions may remind me that this life cannot be lost.
So yes, I hope you hear me very well. But yeah, just now started like half hour ago. It's going pretty well. About the lever, what can I tell? It's kind of old. The bucket is pretty small, and yeah, it's like, you know, when you are operating, it's like some options are going quite fast, but some of them are like slow as repeat. But in the general, it's fine. It's fine. I think I will survive this night.
Something about you feels so different. Yeah, you mess me up inside. It's like your energy was kissing my soul back to life, was living. Now it feels like every part of me is dying. Yeah, you're gone without a trace. You left me where no one can find me. There's no sign of life out here. I scream and it goes silent. I fight so hard, but I can't find my way out. Lost all dimension and time. All alone, you're losing my mind. And this goes down. Every message that I send you, you just leave them all unread. Now every part of me is hurting. Cross my heart, I don't deserve this. Loved you just for you to haunt me in the end. Yeah, you're gone without a trace. You left me where no one can find me. There's no sign of life out here. I scream and it goes silent. I fight so hard, but I can't find my way out. Lost all dimension and time.
Yeah, guys, small reminder, if you are interested in this kind of content, make sure you subscribe and comment. And wanted to tell you more about the lever, how I feel it. It's actually pretty soft. It's softer than Sennebogen or Caterpillar. I'm talking about those Sennebogen 830 and Caterpillar 325 MH material handler. Yeah, it's much softer. and he is going much faster than those both. What else? Actually, I don't know. Power is enough for this kind of small bucket. It's actually quite small if we are comparing to buckets which are in use by Caterpillar and Sennebogen. Yeah, pretty satisfied actually. Yeah. Just now told something good about the Liber. Yeah, it's old. It's 18,000 hours, and the rotor doesn't work anymore. So yes, it's 1 p.m. at the night. Rotor is not working. Still not working. I've turned off the electricity for our crane, etc., etc. I can't check the fuses because I don't have any screwdriver. But there is one more problem. The crane which is standing in the pier and which is loading inside the vessel the logs, he have a problem with the hydraulic pipe. It blew up. Yeah, it blew up. And now he have to drive to the shop, order a new one, and that might take like 3 hours or so. So yeah, we have a break. These are the trucks which we loaded. This is the vessel which we are loading. And there is the Caterpillar with the broken pipe. I decided to show you a cabin, which I even never seen. But anyways, let's go. This is high. There is pretty much to walk. I have to go through. Oh, blah blah. Nice. So yeah, if you are comparing these two cranes, that is the small one with which I'm working, and this is the bigger multi-bucket. Yeah, the main thing where we stopped. This is the huge pipe which is broken, and the oil is going through here out. We are back in the game. So yeah, what was the problem with the lever which I am working on? Nothing much. I just pressed accidentally some button which I didn't needed to press, and the pipe was changed and everything is working now. We are driving back to the field.
Artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch of artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch, artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. How can you know what's in our mind, when in between the good and bad there's such a thin line? How can you know what's in our heart, when often hate motivates and love tastes sweet?
Good morning, everyone who is still watching. So yeah, the night's passed. I'm alive. It was pretty nice working with Lieber. I enjoyed it. Yep, that's it. My shift is done and time to go sleep. Bye.